The right to worship during the pandemic may end up front and center at the U.S. Supreme Court. The Roman Catholic Diocese of Brooklyn is asking the court to block restrictions ordered by Democratic Governor Andrew Cuomo. NewsNation correspondent Tom Negevan is live in Brooklyn for us tonight with that story. Good evening, Tom.
Right, Joe. Good evening to you. This has been rejected by two lower courts, but the Catholic Diocese here is going straight to the top, to the Supreme Court, filing an emergency injunction based on religious freedom. The argument being brought before the High Court is that New York State is holding religious institutions to an unfairly high standard. In the filing, the diocese says Governor Andrew Cuomo's executive order limiting attendance at churches to 10 people in the state's highest risk areas expressly singles out houses of worship by that name for adverse treatment relative to secular businesses, and does so in a way that is not narrowly tailored to any compelling government interest, in direct violation of the First Amendment's free exercise clause.
Quite honestly, we feel that it is a direct attack on our ability to worship. And this is the United States of America. That's in the First Amendment. It's in the 14th Amendment that we have a right to worship freely.
It's a standoff between churches and the state that's been deepening since October, when members of the Orthodox Jewish community took to the streets of Brooklyn in protest of COVID restrictions, and the first lawsuits were filed. Here's what the governor said then.
Religious institutions are mass gatherings and raise the greatest potential.
But the diocese says it has implemented its own health protocols, and its churches have generated no known cases. The Supreme Court has rejected similar challenges by religious groups twice this year by narrow 5-4 margins, but there's reason to believe this challenge could succeed. The court hasn't heard a case like this since the confirmation of Justice Amy Coney Barrett, who's expected to shift the bench to the right.
If there are any legitimate concerns, instead of trying to address those, Cuomo's just coming in very heavy-handed and saying your services have to cease and desist. I'll give you 10 people at a time.
As of right now, the office of Governor Andrew Cuomo has not responded for our request to a comment on the filing, but the court does expect to hear from the state its response, a deadline set for it, of next Wednesday. Live in Brooklyn, New York, Tom Negevan, NewsNation.